Anyways, though, it's so far going pretty smooth. I spoke entirely too soon. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Justin. I don't think a lot of you guys know my actual name, but yeah, my name is Justin. Yeah, so on today's video, we have a lot in store. We will be installing some camber parts.
Big tilt camber parts. Big tilt camber parts.
Not no baby tilt, we're installing the big tilt camber parts. And it's not even on the Integra, it's on my girlfriend's Accord. I'm sure you guys have seen her Accord before. She's low, but she said she wanted to, do camber. And I'm not gonna stop her, I'm gonna let her cook. She says she can handle it, so we gonna find out if she can actually handle it. This is pretty much Gatlinburg prep. Gatlinburg is right around the corner. Like, each time I open up Instagram, someone has a countdown going and it just shows me how close we are to Gatlinburg. And that just shows me how much stuff I still need to get done. So yeah, we're gonna try to figure this out. But today, I'm gonna show you guys how to install it, and yeah. So these are the parts I'm gonna be installing today. They are tilted, excuse me, tilted knuckles and extended lower control arms, which are fixed at -16 degrees, which is quite a bit of camber, I'd say. Yeah, the extended lower control arms are for the axle so that they won't bind up. And I don't know if you can really tell. But yeah, fixed in place, -16. As you know, for these cars, they don't have any upper control arms or really any camber parts that you can just install to get camber. You have to get custom fab stuff. So yeah, that's what we did. So this is what I'll be installing. So first things first, I'm gonna start off with these gloves, because I hate all the dirt getting under your fingernails and all that. That's gonna be annoying. But yeah, I'm gonna start off by putting these gloves on. So this is how you put the gloves on. So you just stick your hand through here, make sure it's all around your fingertips and all that. So you just put your gloves on. Oh, and by the way, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I already did the other side. Bruh. But that's just because I had to make sure I knew how to do it first. Like, you don't want me just, teaching you all the wrong steps. I had to make sure I knew how to do it and felt confident enough in putting it out for you guys. So, yeah. Gotta make sure I can see it. Wait, it's 17. That's gonna be dumb heavy, so you bring out the hammer or the mallet or whatever you want to bring out to, beat this down. So, bruh. It's a little strong, but we're gonna keep, wait. Yeah, I'm going the right way. Yeah, it's moving though. You can see it. Why is it so tight on there? Dang.
1 hour later.
Wait, I gotta be. Oh, I'm tripping.
Keep going the wrong way.
I'm tripping, bruh. Bruh. I was going the wrong way. I just extra tightened it, but that's okay. We just gotta go back the other way. So let me make sure. There we go. We're gonna bring out the hammer again. Yeah, so that was the first one. Just take it on out. All right, so I got both of these screws out for the bracket. So now, you just remove it. Dang. But you gotta make sure, obviously this doesn't fall down or get extended out or you're cooked. So yeah, that was already pain, but we good. Man, so after almost an hour later, I just decided to take off the whole assembly because this ball joint is like seized in here. I don't even understand why it's so stuck in there. I tried to beat it. I tried to use the pickle fork. I tried to use the ball joint separator, and it was not coming out. But now time to take the new spindle and the new knuckle and the other lower control arm and put it back in, and we can go from there. As you guys can see, I got everything back in. Putting them back in the car is way easier than taking them out. Well, it shouldn't have been that hard, but that thing wanted to get seized in there. But yeah, other than that, got everything in. Now I'm just adjusting the coilovers to match the other side. Then you guys get to see the results.
Yeah, 60 on it. Yep, low spur. We going all the way up. Yeah. I'm gonna turn this bitch all the way up. Hey, Brandon, yeah. I'm on the block with that heavy. Yeah, on the block with that heavy. Watch out for cops that pull up in them Chevys. They about to crack my main trap, her name Betty. These niggas don't want no smoke on my body. Gucci and Louis can't do no Zanati. Bad bitch on me look like she hang with Kylie. I used to fuck with a bitch, hang with Kylie. On the real, I think that bitch live in Cali.
Alright, so here it is, guys. It looks really, really nice. I don't know, these triple chrome VSXX just look really good on this car too. Also with the, I don't know if you can see, drilled and slotted rotors. But yeah, nah, the camber really does it justice. Like, I love how aggressive this front end is, especially it just works good with the camber. But yeah, here it is. The process didn't take too long. It wasn't that hard besides that over there. But overall, I'm very satisfied. I got the sides as close, really as perfect as fitment as I can. I am gonna have to run like 1.5 inch spacers for now until I can find some better wheels. But yeah, it turned out really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And like, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this. And also let me know what you guys trying to see. Like, I'm down to do whatever. You feel me? I'm down. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.